Hi everyone, this is Lisa. Welcome back to Homebody. So in this video, I'm taking part in an open collaboration that's hosted by Jessica and Miss V. This challenge is called Outdoor DIY and Decoration Challenge. So we're supposed to do a DIY and decorate an outdoor space. So this is my DIY. I actually I made my bow and I spray painted my flower pot red. I did a tutorial on how I make my bows, and I inserted the picks that I purchased from the 99-cent store inside the flower arrangement. So this was a quick, simple, easy DIY, you guys. So in the video, I'm pretty much going to be focusing on my porch. Excuse the video, you guys. It's been raining in the Houston area and I wasn't really able to do the video as I wanted. Now this is my porch Santa that I had. I pretty much just inserted some ribbon inside his Christmas tree that he already had on hand. I have a couple of snowmen that's on a sleigh, and here's my DIY again. I actually made two of them, one for each side of the porch. Now I also wrapped some red and white ribbon around my pole. Yeah, so the ribbon was wrapped around the two poles that I have on the porch, and it kind of gave me that candy cane look. And I also put a swag on each pole. I also wrapped some ribbon around the top portion of my door, put a couple of peppermint bows and another swag on the door as well. I think this came out cute. I love it. I didn't quite do everything that I wanted to do for my porch. I want to find me a really nice Christmas rug to put in front of my door. I haven't found the one that I want yet, but so far so good. Everything's coming out perfectly. If you have not stopped by Jessica or Miss V's channel, I have the links to their channel below as well as the playlist. If you're stopping by from Jessica or Miss V's channel, I want to say hello and hope that you guys see fit in your finger to subscribe to Homebody with Lisa before you leave. And thank you for coming by. And this is the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.